Maybe we should cheer him up then. What do you suggest do? Well, does he like butter tarts?
I was lying on the grass of Sunday morning of last week.